The spool holds the trimmer line, and when tapped to the ground, feeds out more line. The new spool comes with line already wrapped around it, so it is ready to use. The spool will wear over time from being tapped against the ground. You might also replace the spool simply so you don't need to wrap new trimmer line when it runs out. Replacing the spool is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the bump cap from the trimmer head. The bump cap is secured to the trimmer head with two plastic locking tabs. I'll depress the tabs and pull the cap away from the hub. With the cap removed, now I can remove the spool. Now I can install the new spool. The new spool comes with tape around the trimmer line to hold it in place. I'll just remove the tape. Then I'll take the trimmer line, pull out a few inches, and lock it in the tab on the bottom of the spool. That'll hold it in place. Now I'll thread the trimmer line through the eyelet, align the spool with the shaft, and I'll pull on the trimmer line to pull it free from the holder. Now reinstall the bump cap. I place the bump cap over the spool, aligning the tabs with the slots on the hub. Once it's aligned, I'll snap it in place. And that's how easy it is to replace the spool on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.